Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to contact customer service of Grammarly. It's simple. Open a browser and type Grammarly customer service. Then click on the first link that appears. Once you are on the Grammarly support page, click on the View Support Page button. Here you can search for a specific problem and many times you will find the answer or solution right there. If you need further assistance, there are additional options to get in touch with their support team. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy writing.